it is such a blessing having the time and money and means to make my own snacks for me and my family. I just find it so enjoyable. Yes, it takes time and effort, but it really does pay off, and in the end you save money, and you also stay fuller for longer, considering this fiber packed food. If you were to buy normal gem drops from the store, you could easily eat like probably 5, but here you would not be able to eat that many, although they are really good, so some people might. Maybe for a meal you could have 5, but for a snack, this is just so delicious. And yeah, I would really recommend, just in general, making your own snacks, even if they're simpler than this, whether it's just prepping carrots and hummus or making any of these healthy recipes. I think it's so important to integrate into your lifestyle, and it's really helped me actually, just to continue to eat nutritional food even when I'm in snacks. Like, it's easy just to go a bag of chips if you're buying chips or chocolate, but I think when you have the option to have this beautiful handmade whatever item it is just so much better than any store-bought thing. Like, I just can't even explain enough.